In today's video, I'll show you some apps that will help you making money online. These apps are legit and also 100% free. If you're interested, make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you can get every step right and also the desired result. But as always, before I start with this tutorial, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden Emia's World with notifications on so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get updated whenever we upload a brand new strategy on how to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. If you love this type of content, then just give this video a thumbs up, and also if you have any question or opinion, just leave a comment down below. Without any further ado, let's start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. Your very first step is to go over to the first app that I want to show you today, because I'm going to give you multiple ones, and that's why I said to you to keep watching till the end, because I don't want you to get confused or lost. And the very first app is called EarnAbly. This is over at earnably.com. As you can see, digital rewards and gift cards are made easy with this platform. You can earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos, taking surveys, and it's easy as that. All you need to do is to click on the sign up button here, so you can put your information and you can start just doing those tasks and getting paid again and again, just like people are doing with this platform. You're going to see here that they reward their members with instant cash and also free gift cards, so you're going to get paid instantly by doing the aforementioned tasks. You're going to see that you can get points over here that you can of course redeem for money. And also you're going to see all of the payment proofs that they offer beside cash, so you can get paid in PayPal money. You have also gift cards and wallet codes, so you have Amazon, Domino, you have Xbox, Facebook, and so on and so forth. And something that I like about this platform is that it makes you possible to make money in passive income, so you can invite friends and even people that want to make money online here by completing some tasks, and you're going to earn 10% of their earnings for life. So every time they use EarnAbly and earn money, you're going to get paid because you have been the person that have referred the person here. So something else very important mentioning is that this platform has been around since 2015, so it's been around for quite some times now, and it shows that this is a legit one. Also, I want to show you the reviews over a Trustpilot, which just proves that this platform is legit and people are loving it. So if you go over to Trustpilot, you're going to see that this platform has like almost 1,000 of reviews, because not all of people leave a review when they are using an app, and you're going to see that it has like 4.8 stars reviews, which is excellent actually, and this means that 83% of people have rated EarnAbly as excellent. So once again, this shows that this is a legit platform, and also you can start for absolutely free, just like I mentioned at the beginning of this video. EarnAbly was the first platform that I wanted to show you. Let's proceed with the second one, which is called Buzzbreak. With Buzzbreak, you can share your story and you can earn reward, and I'm going to explain to you how you can do that. As you can see, it is available on App Store and Google Play Store, so you can download it on your Android or your iOS device. So if you go over to Google Play Store, you're going to see that Buzzbreak is called like Buzzbreak Read Funny Videos. It has more than 590,000 of reviews, which is pretty crazy, and 3.6 stars reviews. So you can see that this is like a very informative and addicting app that people are loving. You have also over at App Store, you're going to see here that it doesn't have a lot of ratings actually, so it's not very popular for iOS users. So if you go over to their homepage, once again, you're going to see more about it. You're going to see that this platform is trusted by more than 10,000 of users. You're going to see what people have to say about it. It's fun to watch and read the articles while earning money on it. So you're going to just read information and articles and news, and you're going to get paid for that. So people love reading those articles, watching funny videos. So you have also watching videos over here as a tasks in order to get points that you can of course redeem for money. So you're going to see also what people are posting over here related to a buzz break and so on. So what you can do is to just download this app for absolutely free on your device, and then you can start using it and of course making money by doing something really fun. So this was the second platform that I wanted to show you. The first one was EarnAbly, and this one is Buzzbreak. Here at their official website, it's over at buzzbreak.news. You can find it on Google Play Store as Buzzbreak Read Funny Videos, and also at Buzzbreak here on App Store. Let's proceed with another platform for today. So I said to you before that I'm going to give you multiple ones, and this is like the third but also the last one, and I'm going to show you how you can make money with it. So this is called SurveyTime, and it's over at surveytime.io. As you may guess from the name of the website, you're going to complete some surveys over here and you're going to get paid, and I suggest to use this one because you can get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey you complete. So it pays pretty good actually, and the thing is that it depends on you on how much time and effort you want to put on this, but also on the other platforms that I showed you today. So you're going to see over here that you need to sign up with your Facebook, Google, or Twitter account if you want to, or you can do that manually by just putting your email address here, agreeing to the terms and conditions, and then click on Start Now. You're going to see that they also offer some reviews at Trustpilot, so you can see more about it, what people have to say, and as you can see it has like 4.5 stars review, which is pretty good actually. But you have also some of testimonials from members that are using this platform. Right here you're going to see the payment proofs, that the payment methods that this platform offer. You have Amazon gift cards, Target gift cards, you can get paid in PayPal money instantly. You have Coinbase here if you like cryptocurrency, so they even often getting paid in cryptocurrency, but also in different payment methods. Something else I want to show you is that SurveyTime also offer an affiliate program, which is pretty good actually if you want to get paid in passive income. You just need to click on affiliates down here, and it's going to take you over to their ambassador program, as they call it. In order to just apply for it, you need to put your email here, your full name, and also your Skype username, and then you need to click on continue. And once you get accepted, you of course are going to get your affiliate link that you can just start sharing it with the people, and whenever someone starts using SurveyTime, you're going to get paid of course, and also in passive income. So these were the three platforms that I wanted to show you today. You can combine all of them if you want to in order to maximize your results. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you liked it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.